Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka.
I look like Dumbo.
Wow, you're giving a bob.
I look
Like a bob. And I'm giving like very long weave.
Beyonce.
What? Look at mine. Naomi Campbell.
Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back for another video. Today's video, we are gonna be doing the Dalagang Pilipina challenge. We don't know what it is. We've been living under a rock. But we're thankful for the internet because they're giving us a lot of new updated stuff. So
And our fans too.
and our fans too, yes. Many of you have suggested this. And since we don't have hair, as you can see, we have our luxury Brazilian hair. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. Anyway, we also don't know how to do this challenge, and we've seen one video last
Wait.
night.
So this is actually a challenge. It exists on the internet.
Yes.
People really don't know what to do. with their life.
People have time.
Go read some books.
People
go
don't
do
know
some-
how to
I
do
thought that
this
was just a
challenge.
crazy person.
No, it went viral in the Filipino
So,
community.
It's actually a video.
It's a video.
Oh
it
my
went
gosh.
viral in the community. So we're watching a tutorial by Mimiyuuuh, to know how to do this challenge.
That is a
because we don't
tutorial.
know. Somebody made a tutorial online on YouTube. So we're gonna watch a tutorial first, and then I think we're just gonna follow the instructions as we go along. I haven't seen this video yet, so this is gonna be a reaction as well. Okay, so we're watching Mimiyuuuh.
Let's get to the tutorial. Let's go. What's up? Let's go. Let's go. Bago tayo sumabak sa Dalagang Pilipina tutorial, dapat muna tayo, internalizationistica.
Is that his hair?
I don't know if that's his hair. Fabio, you look so good. Naomi Campbell for real.
I know.
Okay, let's keep watching.
Mag-internalize ka ng mga inspiration, mga aspiration. Let's do this.
So he said we need to internalize some inspiration, aspiration.
Okay. I think I got that.
You got it? Okay, we're good.
Oh my god, he's possessed.
Oh, he's praying. Aww.
So let's get to the tutorial.
Okay, finally, here we go, the tutorial. I just want to learn how to do it because everybody online has been doing it.
First step. So ito yung mga posts na in-indicate ko dun sa video. Kelly, let's go. Lucky Star A, let's
Oh,
go.
no, wait, I think he went viral because he did like a Dalagang Pilipina and he went viral on Facebook.
So ito ang first step.
First step.
Inspiration ko dito is like, dadaan yung cute mong proctor, pero wala ka talaga masagot.
Baby,
He said, he said his inspiration for this step is your teacher or your proctor is gonna walk by, but you have nothing to answer to his question. So this is the step. We're gonna watch it.
wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka.
What? What?
You do it all the time, this face.
Wait,
You know that, right?
I'm curious about the face because it switched from left to right. What? Okay, let's do it with him. Do you wanna go back? Are you ready?
Yeah, I think I need to rewind it one second.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
Okay, let's do that move. So he looked over
Yeah.
here first. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
No, you need to have it.
Because I'm not Filipino, right?
Oh, this is your Italian version.
No, my face doesn't move like you.
Oh, okay. Let's do it again. Let's do
Wait,
it.
show me 1 second. Okay, I got it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
I even did
Oh
the
wait, no.
switch.
He did this thing too. Okay, let's do it again. Last one. 5, 6, 7.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
Oh, it's Next.
This is challenging. I changed my mind. I
Yeah.
actually admire these people.
So you have respect for these people now, right?
Next pose natin is yung parang nakainom ka ng tubig sa Manila Bay habang nagsiswimming ka. Ganon. Huwag po kayo magsiswimming sa Manila Bay.
Next pose is when you go swimming, pretend you drank water. It's like the feeling of when you accidentally drank
But
water.
from the nose or the mouth?
The mouth, I think. I don't know.
Madumi po yun. Dangerous po.
Where did he come from? Is that how he goes swimming?
It was so fast! It was so fast!
Look at the face! You have to do the face like that.
Alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka.
Okay, wait. Ready? So we have to do the hair like this. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
Why do you look like a nun now? Why do you look like a nun like this?
Who puts the hair behind the ear? I look like a gnome.
A what? A gnome?
Gnome.
What?
The little ones of the garden.
The gnomes.
No.
Oh, you're so cute.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan
The face. We have to do the face
Why
like that.
one eye is
We
like
have to do the
super
face
white?
like yeah, and then he points like this. Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
I look possessed. I cannot do this challenge.
Okay, next move.
Lots of respect for these girls.
Ganon.
It's his hair!
You think so?
It's your girl, Mimi. Parang ganon.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
What? Okay, ready? That was easy. 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
My
We got
mouth
that
doesn't really move that
Well,
way.
that's not my problem. Your mouth is not talented.
Well, it kind of is your problem, but
Okay, so we got that one perfectly. So let's move on to the next pose.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
Peace sign.
Alam mo naman
That's easy, Fabio. So what we learned so far is we point our head, and
we
then
drank the water.
we drank the water.
and then we used our brain. Oh yeah, that was
Yeah, the
first.
brain,
And then
and then
the professor.
3, go.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo na
Why do you look so?
Oh, is this? Oh, this way goes. My mouth doesn't go one way or the other. Like, it doesn't go this way, but this way I can do.
Next.
I cannot do one way.
That's
Oh
not
my
my
God.
problem.
Did I have
Your
a stroke?
jaw.
Korea.
Oh yeah, this
Korean
I know.
heart. Fabio knows that one for real.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
How do you do those eyes? Let's start. 5, 6. No, don't do anything yet. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na
Okay, next. Oh, you're sucking a straw.
Oh,
You're sucking a straw.
Okay, now
That's it,
now
five.
it makes sense.
Okay,
That's the
thank you,
tutorial.
Mimi. Thank you. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
But Canada.
It's like you're sucking a straw and then the coke is too cold. It's too cold.
Yeah, but Canada banned the straws, so we cannot do that
In the
anymore.
Philippines too.
So why
There's
do-
metal straw.
Oh, so let's suck a metal one.
1,
3.
2, suck a
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa.
Oh my God, you're so ugly when you do that.
I know you too.
No, but you're like ugly for real. I'm not.
Okay, so that's all the tutorial. So I guess now it's time for us to do all this.
Oh my God.
We need to do all the things that we learned from Mimi.
Wait, what? Is it a final test? I
A
didn't
final
know.
test
I was not
performance.
prepared. I didn't
Yes.
study. Oh, because there is a song even.
There is a song.
Guys, seriously, what do you... Okay, we'll pick our favorite or we just go...
We just incorporate everything. Whatever we learned. 5, 6, 7, 8. No, not yet. Not yet.
Bitch.
Wait for the beat to drop.
Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam mo naman talaga na kailangan ka.
I think we did good. What do you guys think? Comment below who did the best Dalagang Pilipina challenge. If it's me or Fabio.
I really don't think my mouth can bend that way.
That's really not my problem. One more.
I feel like my nose is poking out.
You have long nose, that's why.
Oh, that's why it's stopping me.
Let me
It's
see.
stopping
Let
my-
me try.
No.
I will lift it up.
Oh, because
Go.
you have brought this. This is like very broad in the Philippines. So you... It's true. Easier. Way easier.
Let's try it again. What about the other one?
Way easier. Because my nose was stopping me from moving my...
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. We definitely did. We had such a good laugh. What do you think about Filipino culture nowadays? Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.